Hello guys and welcome back to the mood. So you have been extremely nice with me yesterday with all your beautiful comments, and I thought, like, for an introduction you need a little bit of my baby crypto cat to cheer you up in this, well, it's not that red, but it's a little bit of a correction day. Bye-bye. So guys, again, thank you so much for your nice comments yesterday, and that's really nice. Oh my god, what's happening with my hairs? I mean, there's never gonna be anything that you will have to pay on this channel to get these charts, and well, then it's your free will. You just I hope I give you some inspiration in your trades, and I hope I give you good advices, and that you'll be extremely careful with all the actions you take. I mean, I'm saying it every time that you shouldn't use any kind of leverage, you know, guys, and don't go in the right exchanges, depending according to the country you live in, but Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, you can't lose with these guys. Also, on this channel you will never find any referral links on the video itself, and you will never get thumbnails like I swear to you guys, even if this channel reach 100,000 subscribers one day, you will never get any open mouse thumbnails. No, never, I swear. Yesterday was a crazy day. We are having a very beautiful trading days. It's very active and it's totally beautiful. And what's happening right now, this little bit of redness is nothing much to care of. I wouldn't pay any attention. That's, as I always say, just noise. Focus on your strategy, how you trade it, and when you are going to sell, and what part of it, and where are the best opportunities. I hope I give you some clues about what are the real opportunities in this altcoin market. Example, we've been on Matic, and I was telling you guys about that move. Well, Matic did even much better. Much better, except we have now this huge bearish divergence. So I hope you guys, if you were still in the Matic trade, I hope you guys sold it right there on the top, on that resistance line. It's sometimes, you know, guys, trading is as easy as that. Just get your trends, your trending line. God, shit. Sometimes trading is just about setting up the right trends and knowing exactly where to get your resistance line, and this resistance line worked perfectly, for example. But I was not anymore in Matic. My trades right now are Luna, that I'm still in profit, and I'm waiting for that higher move to happen. It's a bit more tricky. I'm gonna get into the details why Luna trade becomes a little bit trickier, but still, I'm not shilling Luna specifically. If this coin becomes bad to trade during this altcoin market, I'm gonna let you know, guys. I'm still in. I still believe there is a huge potential, and this kind of graph that you see here, it's happening on many other altcoins, and the one that I'm actually into, we see on Chili's after. But this trade is getting a little bit more tricky because the VIX is now not really a good indicator on that trade, and that's an indicator that I use a lot. But still, I'm referring myself, I'm gonna explain to you why I believe this is still gonna pop. We got that MACD crossing right here, right? And we have a very low VIX. We did print a lot of fear back there, but that's probably not sufficient for me to be as what it is a good indicator. But what I see is that when we go back there during the last MACD crossing, our VIX was actually in the same kind of lows, Our RSI was about to cross that resistance line here on the RSI. So it's basically exactly the same kind of configuration, and means, you know guys, what happened after? After you got nearly 10 days of growth, substantial growth, and every day was a growth. Nearly every single day, except one here around the 7th of March. So I'm staying in totally, and I'm gonna try to share a little bit less. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't want to be like I don't want to do influencer stuff. I don't like it. So I was drifting maybe a little bit in that direction, but it's a good coin, and I'm sticking to it, and I'm totally confident about that move. Chilies, yes, we got exactly, guys, see, it's nearly exactly the same kind of chart, but this one totally reminds me of Matic, and we had nearly the same kind of formation. So I'm confident that we can now have that move up, and that's gonna be a huge move. So I'm actually having a large position in Matic, and our RSI was exactly doing the same stuff. Exactly. Not as predicted. Exactly. Exactly. So I want to catch that move. If it happens, it happens, guys. If it doesn't happen, we'll go somewhere else. That's how it works. And I also have a Bitcoin trade, and I know many of you guys are thinking this will drop, and most of the market is actually fearful about Bitcoin, but I don't think so. My technique doesn't tell me that. So I'm gonna stick to it. It's not a big position, but I have one because I believe that move can totally happen also here. And actually it will follow the other coins, the other altcoins moves. So our Ethereum projection, our Ethereum prediction actually is not bad. We are still ranging into my expectations. So this scenario seems like it's playing more than that one, but that's the kind of range you can expect. So if at some point it drops lower, and if you are into Ethereum, you can totally buy it back around the 2100. But I don't think so. I think that resistance proved that it was totally supporting our price action. Yes, we have a bearish divergence here. So personally, I'm not trading Ethereum as I told you guys yesterday. That's not a coin I want to trade right now. So Doge, we can see that Elon pumped a little bit the price this morning. So congrats if you bought some. You probably made some profit. But Doge is a coin that once you make profit, you wanna keep them. You wanna take your profit very quickly on Doge. And here is another resistance line that matter on Doge and that you should be careful of. If price spikes again, think of selling it around $0.46. So that was my SOL analysis from yesterday, and as you can see, price is dropping, and it will probably drop more until we reach that resistance line and we go back to our parabolic move. And then really I'm keeping my eyes on SOL, because at some point it will be a really good buy, and around the $36 level. I don't think we can pop up at that point. I mean, it would not make any sense. So I'm patient, and I would watch the chart on a daily basis with you guys. So please, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, see guys, I'm not doing YouTuber stuff, I'm not doing influencer stuff, I'm doing it less because I kind of like this new way of making videos that we found yesterday. And feel free to subscribe to the channel. That's it, it's said. ZEN is performing excellently well, and I think we are going to clean a little bit this chart. It's also a beautiful chart, so it's probably a good idea to enter a position, because price is gonna follow that kind of price action, and same as the other coins, guys. And if you see, that's probably where we are going, right up there. And if we want to be crazy, right up there. Yeah, dent, look at that resistance line right here. This is the kind of potential pump you can get in the coming days, guys. Whoa. Wow, that one is beautiful. That one is really beautiful. I should totally keep a position in dent, especially now that it's dropping. I'm gonna consider that, and I will let you know over my Twitter right there if I take one and when, and the kind of position I'm taking. BNB is ranging following my prediction, so that's something good. It's probably gonna correct a little bit, but I think like we are going to keep ranging over that resistance line, and by then I'm gonna delete that scenario, almost that one. So guys, I don't know what you think. Do you think you prefer this kind of video, or a little bit more quiet, and where we really worked our charts and we see a maximum of coins and prediction during one single video? Or do you prefer, guys, that sometimes I make a bit of a more funny stuff and less chart and more fun? I told you guys charts can be fun, and that's why I'm trying to bring you guys into loving these charts, because these charts will love you in return. But I also like to be just working and just concentrate on well, making money, guys. So guys, let me know what you prefer, and if you like something in between, if you like all serious, if you just let me know how you prefer this channel. Just let me know. I will totally consider your opinion on that. I mean, sometimes it's just me, sometimes I just cannot focus. I'm just out of focus, and I need to joke and I need to make fun. I mean, the red days, I think they will always be funny, because we have to take, that's my own philosophy, that when something bad happens to you, it's better to find the positive and the fun, I mean, into it, than just like, oh no, it's bad, my life sucks, it's horrible, I'm gonna die, everything sucks. You know, guys, I don't like to complain. That's something that never works in life, that never gonna help you. That just help yourself and enjoy life. And negativity never helped anyone, especially in trading. Alright, and our coin of the day is going to be HoriZEN, also known as ZEN. That's trading actually at $121. Lost nearly 10% yesterday, when it was quite a bullish day. Available on many exchanges, as you can see right here. And here we go. We have our ZEN chart, and well, let's get into the analysis, guys. You know, as usual, we are trying to find any parabolic move on the chart, and I can obviously see one, second one, so it's quite an important one. The MACD is a big mess right here, and we got this bearish crossing here. VIX doesn't really want to pick a decision. Here we had so much support and then it drops, but same as many other coins. So that's not the easiest chart as I've seen these days, but we are going to figure it out. Yeah, I think ZEN price action is gonna be a little bit more sluggish during the coming days, and actually it did that before. So we might stick to that parabolic move and go up there. That's the most probable scenario. Otherwise, the less probable for me would be a drop to that resistance line and then catch up. But yeah, I mean, this resistance line obviously needs an alarm, because at that point ZEN would be a good buy, right? If we touch the parabolic line, it could be also interesting. That's not a bad coin at all. I'm just keeping it apart. I think it has potential. It has upward potential. It has potential. Totally. So guys, that's gonna be it for today. Please don't forget to leave all your comments down there. Let me know, guys, if you think that this kind of video makes it better for you, or if you still want me to do jokes and stuff, because anyway, they're gonna happen. Thank you for everything you did. You talked. Thank you for everything you said yesterday. That was amazing. And don't forget to subscribe everywhere, there and everywhere, except my referral link that I don't have. So thank you very much for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.